from St. Philip High School. Today we have Simran Goswami from International School, Boise. What were your first thoughts when you heard that 150 students have authored and published their own books?
Thank you. It was highly very interesting because at this early age when the students have published their own books, it is very feels like they are interacting with the vocabulary and the literary and they are learning very much from that.
What do you think you What do you think about the innovation? What do you think about the innovative land lighting ceremony we had today?
It was really heartwarming and very nice.
In your opinion, what kind of impact does publishing a book your age have on students' confidence and learning journey?
It makes me think that the school is making broad and it is highly improving the child's thinking level because now the students are much more engaged in thinking and writing their own vocabs and creating their own books.
What advice would you give to these students authors who may want to continue their writing journey?
I think for students they must think that their learnings and their words are their wings. So just keep writing and they will make you fly higher.
How do you see schools' involvement in the next 5 to 10 years when it comes to encouraging students' voice and innovating?
Initially, nowadays schools are much more student focused and student based and it is creating a holistic environment for the students. So in the next 5 years, I must see that there must be more future generators and leaders in the next upcoming years.
What message would you like to leave with our young authors and their parents today?
For students, I must tell them that you should always keep writing. It will enhance your vocabs and it will also make you a good leader and visionary thinker. And for parents, I must want to tell them that never stop your child from making them write anything. Whatever they are writing, it will help them in the future.
Would you consider writing a book inspired by today's experience?
I think writing a book will make them much more confident because when their books will be published, they will be much more confident to create more contents and the stories for the future books. Even I have written one poem and it was published in a book. So I know that potential and that confidence that the students can get when they write their own books. Welcome.